Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. The AT4 1500 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. We have push button 4x4 in driving modes, trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, full digital gauge cluster as well, push button ignition, nice large touchscreen over 13 inches. Push button ignition, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. We have your automatic shifter knob there as well, lane keep assist, integrated chiller braking system, dual glove boxes there as well, Bose audio, and our heated leather AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color match door handles with keyless entry up front as well, AT4 badging. Truck does have a 6.2 liter V8 plaque on the front fender, as well as the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming down to the front, we have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. We have the black chrome grille in the AT4 brand. We have red tow hooks, color match front bumper there with the red tow hooks and parking sensors. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows and crew cab truck. At the back, the truck is equipped with remote start, color match rear bumper, a trailer tow pack, LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, power tailgate with the MultiPro, and your rear parking sensors. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. In-seat storage feature with a Kalahari inserts there. You have a sliding rear window, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, rubberized floor liners, and carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.